guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Nixxynicolee, and remember to like, comment and subscribe.
Nothing left to say. Like, period. Period. Period.
Hey y'all. So yeah, you watch me install the wig. I absolutely love it. Like, it's so silky. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Like, I bleached the knots. I washed it, conditioned it, shampooed it, conditioned it. What else did I do? I plucked it a little bit. I need to practice on my plucking and my baby hairs, because I'm still learning. Even though I've been wearing wigs for like 3 years, I'm still can't. This hair is from Ossilee. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it looks like this. Came in this silk or satin bag, drawstring bag. So cute. I need more of these because I'm running out of storage, like, to put my wigs in. Like, I don't want to keep them in the big boxes, because the boxes are so broke up. Like, the delivery men, they don't care about your deliveries, about your parcels. They're just dashing it into the van anyhow, and then the bag's broke up. Not the bag, the box is broke up. So yeah, so I'm glad this came. Hair's from Ossilee Hair, and it's 26 inches, 13 by 6 frontal lace. Oh yeah, ready-made wig. So yeah, this is what came in the bag. Is it band to put in the bag? I don't really wear these though, because they don't really slip off my head like that. These lashes are actually so cute. Like, I would wear these. I would actually wear them. Like, they're pretty. They do their thing. This cute pretty. What are these called? Clips, hair clip, hair grip, whatever. And a nail art, Christmas edition. Cute or whatever. So if I'm feeling festive, put these on. I doubt I'll wear these though. Nah, I won't really wear them. I absolutely love this hair. I recommend you get it. 10 out of 10. True to length as well. 26 inches, baby. When I tell you, 150 density as well. So it's not too thick. It's just right. Like, it feels so nice. I can't stop running my hands through it. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next videos. Bye, guys.